Hello again folks, it's Conor McGuire here at John Mulholland Ford in Randallstown. Here just to let you know that at our Randallstown site we have not one but two 2018 Ford Mondeo ST line editions. Now both these cars are finished in ice white. They come with full LED headlights, cruise control, 19-inch wheels, full body styling, glass panoramic roof, reversing camera, heated leather seats with memory function. Both have less than 10,000 miles. Have been bought directly from the manufacturer at Ford Direct. We have one automatic and one manual. Both these cars are available today at $21,995. Now don't miss this fantastic opportunity. Give us a call here in Randallstown. You'll not be disappointed.